Let's learn a new sound. When you have a C and a K and they come together, they make the K sound. Can you make the K sound? It's usually at the end of a word. Let's look at this word. Can you see the K sound? That's it, it's at the end. Let's read this word together. Sock. Sock. Well done. Can you see the K sound in this word? That's it, it's at the end. K, ick. Kick. Can you see the K sound in this word? Let's read it together. K, l, o, k. Clock. Let's read this word. Brick. Brick. And this word. Lock. Lock. Well done. Lock. Well done. Super reading.